In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Lovable project development access to another email. To get started, open Lovable and go to your dashboard. From there, find the specific project you want to share with another collaborator and open it. This is important because access is granted on a per project basis, so you'll want to make sure you're inside the correct project before sending any invitation. Once you're in the project, look for the Share button or the project settings area. Depending on the layout you see, this is usually located in the top navigation bar or inside the project menu. Go ahead and click it to open the collaboration or access management options. At this point, you should see a place where you can add another person. Enter the collaborator's email address in the provided field. Make sure the email is typed correctly, since the invitation will be sent directly there. If there's a typo, the other person may never receive the invite, which can delay access. After entering the email, choose the appropriate access level for that collaborator. For example, you may see options like editor or developer. The permission level you choose determines what they'll be able to do inside the project, so it's a good idea to select the role that matches the work they need to perform. If they'll be actively building or updating parts of the project, a development-focused role is usually the best fit. Once the email and access level are set, click the Invite or Send button. This will send the project access invitation to the collaborator's inbox. After that, your part is mostly complete. But there is one final step the other person needs to take before they can begin working in the project. Ask your collaborator to check their email for the invitation from Lovable. They'll need to open that message and click the included link to accept the invitation. Once they do that, they'll be granted access to the project with the permission level you assigned. If they don't see the email right away, it may help to wait a minute and then check spam, junk, or promotions folders. It's also worth confirming that the email address entered was correct. And that's it. Once the invitation is accepted, your collaborator will be able to access the Lovable project and start contributing based on the permissions you gave them.